Unit 2, Number 8, Crawford Street, Berala, New South Wales. The property is presented in a strong and solid brick building with intercom and door security. In a very convenient ground floor, a freshly renovated living area with a superb sun lighting. A modern new kitchen with quality finishes. A tiled internal laundry, with 2 ample bedrooms with built-in robes and lots of light. Here we see the north side. And here we see the south side window. A bathroom with separate shower and bathtub. Connected to NBN broadband. With exclusive access to a secure internal patio area. With your own Australian garden. You can turn into a veggie patch or a herbs garden. The property also has secure undercover car space. Located within 200 meters from Berala train stations, access to Woolworths, local schools, cafes and eateries in the area. It makes of it a perfect opportunity for a savvy investor or those looking to enter the property market. With very low strata, water and council rates, this is a great opportunity to grab. If this property is of interest, please do not hesitate contacting me. Details at the end.